Good afternoon, peeps. It's Miss Lamazon. Welcome back to my channel. If you see Amanda holding the scissors, what does that mean? No, I'm not going to stab anyone. Unboxing! If this is your jam, keep watching. And yes, my friends, we do have an unboxing. And just to give you a hint of what it is, it's got pearl on it. It arrived yesterday from DPD and I am going to unbox this with you people. And I hope you enjoy it. Alana McGowan is the owner of the company. It's, I think she's been in business 7 or 8 months. Don't quote me, I'm not entirely sure. We are trying to get this open. I'm opening it slowly. Because when you see the way she packages this up, I really do love it, okay? It comes with beautiful paper, pearl on this front of it, and then you just take the paper off, which we are going to do, because we're rough as fuck here. We're just dying to see what's in it. I know. We know what's in it. Okay. Starting off is one of her brushes. This is like a multitask brush. It does a bit of everything. Fabulous brushes, guys. These brushes are fabulous. They're soft as a baby's little back end. They're so nice. They're soft and they blend her products into perfection. Now, if anybody wants to see a demo on how I use these products, please comment down below. I'll be happy to film it for you. After all, she, bless her, I actually asked her for, her recommendations, and I've gotten her basic package of her new products that are out. We'll start with the bronzer. I have her bronzer in light. They do a fair. I'm not sure of all the colours, if I'm honest, but that's what it looks like up close. I'm going to swatch it on the back of my hand. Okay, now as she says herself, these colours, they're not meant to be in your face. They're buildable, which I think is a great idea. As you can see it there, it is light, but then I'm a pale ass, you know what I mean? I'm a pale ass person. So light is me all over. So I'm going to pop it back into its box. It comes in the Pearl Beauty box. And the other product that comes in this is, and I couldn't wait to get this, the highlighter, guys. Now I have it in the colour Sun-Kissed, which is 02. I can't wait to put this on and see what way this goes on my hands. Let's hope it's not too dark for me. It's got a kind of pinky hue off it. The camera's not doing it justice here at all. Hold on. Let's just remedy this ourselves here. As Alana says, you apply it with your finger on your cheekbones. I'm not even sure, guys, if this is going to show up on my little cheekbones. But what I will say, it's very smooth. Very smooth. Give me a second here. Want us to grab a mirror. Oh yeah. Ho ho. Holy shit sticks, Batman. Yeah, this is actually a very, it's just not shown on camera, but trust me, this has got a serious glow factor going for it. I have very little makeup on me today. In fact, I didn't even put a foundation on. Just concealer and powder. So my friends, that's my unboxing. Pearl Beauty Cosmetics, I'll link them below. They've got some great bargains on, along with free shipping for us here, depending on what you get. And they've a special offer for my American subscribers out there as well, because they are giving free shipping due to it just recently having been the 4th of July. They were doing a special. So I would definitely go into Pearl Beauty Cosmetics and have a look and see what deals are going, because Alana's a lady. She's a lady. Okay, that's the 3 that came in my package. Delighted. Thank you for watching, everyone. If you enjoyed my content, please subscribe. Click the notification bell so when I get a bright idea, you hear about it. And please give me a thumbs up. It helps with that bloody awful algorithm. Maybe I'll get a few more friends to join my little family here on YouTube. Thanks for watching. Take care. See you in my next video.